Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone so the phone can talk to both the device and your router. Once done, place the Bluetooth device into its provisioning or pairing mode, usually a long press or specific LED pattern, and keep it close to your phone. Make sure you have the SSID and password handy because you'll enter them soon. Make sure the router is on the 4 GHz band if the device doesn't support 5 GHz. You now use the manufacturer app to bridge Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Grant required permissions so the app can discover nearby BLE devices and read Wi-Fi state. Without location, permission discovery may fail. When the app finds the device, confirm the device ID shown on the sticker or LED to avoid connecting the wrong unit. Then either type the SSID and password into the app or use a QR code /BL. You finish by waiting for the device to confirm it joined the Wi-Fi network. Look for a solid LED or an app status message, and then test its features locally and through any cloud service. If the app prompts for a firmware update, install it to fix known bugs. If you run into trouble, try a factory reset and retry provisioning. Importantly, make sure your router broadcasts a 4 GHz network with WPA2 and that the device is within close range, because many failures come from wrong band or distance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.